Welcome back to the channel, YouTube. It's Padded Card Scale Dreams. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the support in the last couple videos. So I'm a little late on this. USACC 2025. First, I just want to thank Matt and Mark for hosting this, and Kim for picking the kit. The 68 Dart kit. So I did not finish. I mentioned in a couple other videos I was sick and I just did not get any bench time for like 4 weeks, I think it was. A little bit of time here and there, but I just really couldn't put any consistency together to get this build finished, which is disappointing, but at the same time, you know, it is what it is. Life is life, and you live it on life's terms. So obviously I am going to finish this. I'm still going to focus on this solely, try and get it done here. Maybe not this month, but it'll be close to the end of the month. I got a couple more weeks of two more sets of days off before the end of the month, so should be able to get most of it done, if not finished. So I just wanted to say I haven't watched any videos. I literally just got home like half an hour ago from work. It was a long drive home, so I'm just on my split shift right now. I'll try and watch a couple of videos tomorrow before I go back for night shifts. But I did look at Facebook and checked out a couple of the photos that people have been posting, and all the builds look really cool. So kudos to you guys, to those who finished on time. Some really cool builds out there. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully I'll get some time these days off and look a few videos tomorrow and get to show some appreciation. So I'll just, I guess I'll just get you guys turned around. I'll show you where this is at. It's, haven't gotten too much done since the last time. Anyways, I'll show you what I have done, and we'll have a quick look. Get you turned around. Okay, so showing you, I got the right carbs. I had the right ones all this time, but I ended up ordering those other ones too. But anyway, they're the 64, 68 rice Hemi Holly 3116 carbs from Fireball Model Works. So I just got them mocked on the intake right now. They didn't fit. They were a little bit too long. So I had to extend. So these spacers are supposed to be aluminum. So I made them bigger. This was some sheet styrene. So I'll paint this aluminum, the spacers, and it'll also move these carbs outward, so I have a space to do my linkages. So that's good. Got that done. I just need to paint that up, and then I had to modify these slightly just on the top because I couldn't get my stacks to fit over top. But now they fit. And then over top, there's going to be a mesh on the top of this. I had to cut these open. So that went okay. That was really time consuming. I haven't done much to the valve covers yet, but I'll get those boots done next. And then I was working on the tires. So I had some decals. I wanted to make some worn tires. So this is how they turned out. Spent a lot of time sanding these, and yeah, I think they look okay. Not 100% happy, but I think they'll look good. So that's the tires. Finally get these are what are these? So these were originally these front runner, Goodyear front runners. So I sanded them all down and then added the Hoosier decal. Same with the back. Sanded all. These are the kit tires, so they have the MH on there, Race Master. So I sanded all that off. Kind of see it a little bit, but they turned out pretty good. So that's pretty much really all I've done since the last update. I got a few things painted for the wheels. I haven't painted the wheels yet, but they're ready to go. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. Haven't really done much since the last update, bench update. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff when I ordered those carbs. So I've got stacks of parts laying around all over my desk here. Kind of organized, but getting ready to get them put away in their places. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. That's all I've got. I did do a little bit of work on this. Needs some touch up on the grill. And yeah, still way behind. It's okay. Yeah, that's about all I got, really. So yeah, like I said, kudos to everyone that finished and everyone that, even if you didn't finish, if you're in the same boat as me, you'll probably get yours finished soon, and hopefully it won't take too long. Alright, pad out, model on. Hope everyone's doing well. Thank you. Thank you very much.